Hey guys, this is my first time using my Creuset 2¼ quart braiser. I also have never braised anything before. I'm gonna try searing it. I don't know if that's supposed to be the same thing or not, but let's give this a try. I am using avocado oil, by the way. Okay, it's making noise, so I think that's good. I might try turning it down in a little bit, the heat. So I flipped them and only a few of them browned a little bit, which, I don't know. I'm gonna hopefully the bottoms will brown better. Okay, so I think the problem was that I had too much oil and my braiser just wasn't hot enough initially. I ended up taking the smaller pieces of chicken off just because I didn't want them to overcook, but I think so good so far, at least for my second try. The first time I didn't get anything to brown, so now I'm going to add in my sauce. Okay, so I added in my sauce mixture that I had left over from the other day. I added in some angel hair spaghetti pasta that I had cooked earlier, left over, and I added about half of the chicken. So I'm just gonna lightly cook it in here and then it's ready. Oh, and I did top it with some Parmesan right now. And just FYI for the recipe, these are the unique ingredients that I used. So this was the sun-dried tomato pesto I used. This was the Parmesan I used, the Trader Joe's grated Parmesan. I used, instead of whole garlic like the original recipe called for, I just used minced garlic from Costco that I have stored in a jar. To make the cream, I did 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a heated cup of plant milk. I get this macadamia milk, unsweetened, and then I blend it in a magic bullet. I blend it so it becomes a cream. It's a kind of healthy fat cream that I do. I'll post a video of how I make it. And then, oops, sorry, I'm baking some stuff. And then this is leftover chicken that I have. So I will try to find the amount of pounds of chicken I originally used, but in total, I got 3 servings out of it. So I will post the pricing as well, rough pricing. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks. I just washed the pan with the soft part of my sponge, and it was super easy to wash. Still looks brand new.